Welcome back, everyone. Welcome back to the FRENCHYBRO Team TV. And today, another video with me, FRENCHYBRO and Sedos. How are you, mate?
I'm good, FRENCHYBRO. How are you, bro?
Good. Yeah, so another video. We haven't done one for a while. I think for a week now, I'm pretty sure.
So we can have, I think.
Yeah, we can have. Not much happened as we just gonna show you. But for now, coming to an interesting range and area as well. So we doing a video to let you know what we are looking for and what we gonna do. So yeah, so quickly jump on the chart right now. As you can see, we are on still on a weekly supply of the previous August 2022. If you look at it, I think it was August 2022.
Yeah, it was the range from August 22.
Yeah, so we are this weekly supply, so a strong weekly supply, and yeah, so let's zoom in, and check out what's going on inside this area. So as you can see, we try a few short in this area. Our last one, such a shame. We try a short at 23,900, and it was
it was just so early.
Yeah, so we had a tie invalidation, tie stop, and unfortunately we got wicked out on in this area. Well, part of the game, guys. What do you want to say? Doesn't matter if this is part of trading, but our plan was perfect so far. As you can see, if we hold that short and we had a larger stop loss, we could have milked that. I think it was 6 hours.
Yes,
or something like that.
It was around. So if we quickly just forgot where stop loss is. Stop loss was just over here, but entry
this was our entry, like perfect entry.
And we had a tight stop loss. I think we had no, that was this actually.
No, yeah, that's it. Yeah, just yeah, we got wicked out, and after dump straight away. And after we were not in front of the shot to jump back in, unfortunately. But doesn't matter. This happens a lot in trading anyway. And what you do if you miss the move, you just stay patient, and we just wait. You just wait for a retest. And now it looks like we're coming for another retest of in this area. So this is what we are looking for. So we're gonna show you what we're looking for right now. As you know, at the top of the range, you don't long, you look for short, and at the bottom, you look for long. And so for the moment, we're gonna show you. So, Sedos, so what do you reckon? What we're doing right now? We're just waiting for a nice retest. So tell us.
Yeah, exactly. So thank you, FRENCHYBRO. Yeah, as you said, being patient is one of the best thing to have in trading.
Yeah, because if we would have chased that dump anyway, if you would have short right now, we just get a pump back, so you will have.
Yeah, yesterday you see as well the news like up and down, really choppy, but that wasn't the plan. As you said, so yeah, we've been waiting. So we had a nice sharp rejection just right here. You see that H4 candle yesterday couldn't manage to close above our monthly resistance. So one of more let's say the close would have been strong and a big bullish candle, that would be different. But that is the first sign for us.
Yeah, just grab the liquidity and dump straight away.
Yeah, exactly. So you see, I just go above the liquidity, retesting that bottom of the. So yes, guys, it's not a bull flag, but whatever you want to call it, it's a rising channel. That's not a bull flag for people who like to call this a bull flag. That's not a bull flag. So rising channel.
That's not a bull flag at all.
It's just so
it's the breakdown and retest of the
breakdown,
channel.
Retest exactly the channel. So we could see a little another retest of that eye or maybe even that box here.
Yeah,
that could happen. And we're waiting to really get the move down and break. So as you can see, that's on the eye. Taken already once, you can go a little higher, break the previous weekly resistance. If I'm with this here, that yellow line weekly resistance, retest that weekly resistance, confirming that supply, and that will be your entry when you get your market risk, your shifts just there. And you target Monday low, so which is just here all the way down. So that's at first, which is, as well as you can see, if you draw line here, that's where all your liquidity can be found. You can see all those equal lows, and
so much
equal lows
liquidity
just right here.
Down there, so that's why we're prioritizing short right now.
Yes, exactly. So obviously, if you're playing the range, definitely yes. On that move this year, you can see. So you play bottom to the top, which was a range, and opposite and vice versa. So we didn't play this thing. We played like I think we caught one, we caught one which was good early Jan, and then got stopped out on the recent one, which is okay at the end. As I said, there's no rush, there is no that's it. The point is not to catch every move. You just want to wait for your setup, and once the price gets into your area and you get confirmation, or you're happy with the setup, you take it. But there's no point chasing as I said, every move or chasing every dildos, because you will end up at plus or
fisting.
Exactly, definitely. So that's playing the, let's say, range bound thing, and the range bound.
And after, if we broke, if we broke down, if we broke the Monday low,
I'm just gonna change the charts. There we go. So that's more on the. So
that's it. That's what I wanted to show you. As soon as we broke that low, show us the target that we want.
So as you can see, if I don't see Monday low is around here, just here. So I can put the line here. So as Monday low is matching with all liquidity, and you have right here, that's a big so low traffic area. There's a lot of fair value gap as well, and that's the two targets we're looking at for now. First one, 22.4, we're not too far, and 21.900, but we are focusing on that one for before you could, because if this doesn't hold, or let's say 22 level, 22K level, if this doesn't hold, then you can expect larger pullback towards next one is here, so 29 next consolidation. And if again if this breaks, then we go back to 19K. So that's obviously a macro, as I said, H6 even that's my count for the count for the daily count. So you can see as well here, retest of the channel, there's that retest. As we drew it before, you could have another one coming if you look on the smaller time frame. Coming up, let's say somewhere here or even there, and then hopefully get the move down. Get the move down. So see what's the.
It will be good to get a last liquidity grab to just get our short entry. That will be perfect.
Yeah, exactly. So that's what we're waiting for. And we see as well. So I'm just gonna go back on the other one.
And give us
let's say because if we I mean, like, you can still, I mean, after, so that's the count I have. I got another one. So if it gets invalidated, we move on to the next one. Before moving down, but if you want to be looking at long, so as I said, so 23 here. So what was I saying? Here,
23.3. So need to break as a get it as support.
So flip support, exactly. So strong closer.
But even so,
then the only thing, but you got that you still got the bottom thing. So the let's say if you do this, you're targeting that, so that's your previous daily resistance, 27. That's your trade here. So literally, it would be like, to be realistic before going. Are we going to 24? 25. So boom, that's here, and your stop loss, if you're looking, is pretty much. That's how you're looking at something like that tight, and you're targeting. So that first. That's what I said, and then you can, so we see take profit there, take profit here, and that will be the last take profit. And if this break, so I'll show you on the other, because I think there's it on the other one. If that trend line here, I think so that's from June trend line. So that's, you want to flip that onto support, and that can be really that will mean that price action is really bullish. because that's from there you go. So if you do this, there you go, H12. So there was a H12 if you're on there you go. So that's it's too small. Yeah, back on daily, you can see better. So if you flip this, yeah, no worries. That's so as you can see, that was the support from that's Jones low, boom, boom. We broke it once, we test it at the move, and right now we're under it. So this is to answer some of the people who are asking why we looking for shorts at that area. Exactly. That's I mean that's flip this.
You're not long under. That's it. You're not looking for long under.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So if you want to be really bullish, and no worries, go break up support, no worries, and then you can look at those targets that we have as well, because that would be for later. But we see we have them as other counts.
To make it worth it right now, if you want to long, like to make it worth it is exactly the long that we showed you before, but you need to have a tight stop to make it to be able to be worth the risk. And
for sure,
tight stop loss
exactly
how
you put. Yeah, it's value after you can play whatever like this. You get like if you could first you play this, it's not this because realistically it's this. You got your weekly resistance, or let's say you push it with luck, monthly. There you go. But as you can see, so that's in 3 weeks here 1 hour, so 21 of January. So if you would have played that, and you don't enter at the right place again, where's that thing? If you look, I'll just put arrow, because if you look here, so enter here, but then rejection again, back down, okay, break down, rejection. So like, let's say you enter halfway here, then you get more stop to get stop out because you enter here, let's say you enter here, but then you just under resistance, monthly resistance, and then you, if this, let's say it flips, you can look for that move, but then before that you had 1, 2, 3 rejection, 1, 2 rejected again. So so this area, yes, definitely to look for long. So if we come back to that, that's why our first target is that first box. If we're shorting from here, if we're getting the setup that we're looking for sometime soon, so whenever it happens. So looking at the lows, targeting here. Take profits. We might go lower, as we said, and that's an area that you could look for long, depending on we see how the candle closes. But as we said, with our counts, we're waiting for 22.9, 22.8. Sorry, 22, not 20, excuse me, 21.9, 21.8, so 22 level, to look for a proper long targeting the eyes. Of the range.
That's it.
So that's it.
That's it. So pretty much like we just explained all the plan and everything that we are looking and waiting patiently for a trade. I'm pretty sure we might get a trade today by the look at it. So see how it goes.
See how exactly.
See how it goes. But so do you have anything to add, Sedos?
No, that's all. That's all. Just a quick recap.
That's it. So make sure you support the videos, you like and you share, because you got some free alpha in it. If you listen everything of what we say, you could find some setup easily and probably make some money. Cool. So give us a like, share, and catch up on the next one, guys. Have a good day. See you, Sedos. See you.